In this video, I will show you how to use DLSS 4 for Marvel Rivals. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first, to enable DLSS 4, we need to install the NVIDIA app. If you don't have this installed, you can install this app from the description. So first, what we need to do is go to the graphics. And now here we need to search for Marvel Rivals. So if we go down here, as you can see, we can find the game. And if we scroll down, here we can find different settings. But right now we are looking for this one, the DLSS override model preset. Here we need to click here, and now we need to change this to the latest. This will override the DLSS that the game is using. So right now the latest DLSS is the 4.0. So if we use this setting and hit on apply, we'll now be using the latest DLSS for the game. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.